Today we're going to make our very own donut with a paper plate. For this craft you'll need a single paper plate, some paints or markers or crayons, you'll need some scissors and some white glue or glitter glue. And you might want some sequins or some stickers for decorating. To start, we're going to cut out a hole in the middle of our paper plate. Make sure to ask an adult for help with this step. Now that our paper plate is more donut shaped, it's time to color. I'm going to use paint for this video, but you can use crayons or markers if you like. I'm mixing the colors up to make pink for icing. Remember, when you're coloring, it doesn't have to be perfect. If you're using paint, you may want to put down some newspapers or some kind of plastic covering so that you don't get paint all over the table. Leave the paint to dry. Once it's dry, it's time to decorate. You can use anything you like to decorate. I'm going to use glitter glue. To make it look like my donut has sprinkles, I'm going to add some sequins. Again, this step is optional. You can decorate your donut however you like with whatever materials you have. I'm also going to use some stickers. When you're satisfied with how your donut looks, you're finished.